In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Base44 connector with Claude to build a fully functional landing page from a single prompt. I'll start by navigating to my Claude settings to ensure the Base44 connector is active and the tool permissions are configured to allow for app creation. Next, I'll open a new chat and type in my prompt, asking Claude to build a landing page for a pizza shop using the Base44 connector. Claude quickly processes the request and asks for permission to use the tool. I can see the detailed plan it's generated, which includes a bold hero section and a rustic Italian aesthetic for a business called Fireside Pizza Co. I'll click Always Allow to let the AI begin the build. As the progress bar moves, Base44 is working in the background to construct the data models and the front-end architecture. This process takes care of all the technical setup from layout to logic, including professional styling and site structure. Once the build is finished, Claude provides a direct link to the Base44 editor. I'll click that link to open the preview in a new tab. In the editor, I can watch as the AI finalizes the site sections and generates high-quality images for the menu items like margarita and truffle pizzas. Within moments, the project is complete, resulting in a professional, responsive landing page with a beautiful wood-fired theme and a clear call to action for the customers. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.